How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard, preloaded and downloaded stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on general, management. From here, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and tap on suggest stickers while typing. Then we go down and tap on preloaded and downloaded stickers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, then your keyboard will be preloaded and downloaded with stickers ready for you to use. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.